Hello on my channel. Today I have a recipe for a delicious mushroom and chicken salad. As always, at the beginning I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and you will be up to date with my recipes. I present a list of necessary ingredients. You will find the same list in the description under the film. Under the film, I also add a link to the blog where you will find all my recipes. The recipe was created in cooperation with the Extend brand producing food bags. This is a product thanks to which fruits, vegetables and herbs maintain their freshness, taste and nutrients for longer. One such package, it is 10 bags. Inside we also have 3 clips, which we can fasten these bags, but really we can just tie them and not even use these clips, as it is convenient for someone. The bags prolong the freshness of virtually any fruit and vegetable. For example, apples can be stored in the fridge for several months without losing their quality, and strawberries or raspberries can be kept for over a week. The bags are reusable, recyclable, and by properly storing fresh produce, we decrease our carbon emissions. An additional benefit is that about 20–30% less plastic is used in manufacturing compared to other plastic packaging. You can find a link to the website under the video where you will find more information about the bags and can even order them. The cost of 10 bags is less than 20 Polish zloty, which is quite a low price considering that due to its reusable nature, we can use it for much longer and preserve the freshness of our products, which I believe is very important to prevent food waste. For all of you interested, I left a link below the video where you will find more information. And now let's get back to preparing our recipe. First, we cut the mushrooms into cubes. I prepared half a kilogram of mushrooms. Then we will fry them in a small amount of oil until the water evaporates. Finally, we season them with salt and pepper and mix. The mushrooms will already be prepared for the salad and we can put them straight into a bowl. Next, add 2 chicken fillets fried in your favorite spices. In my case, it's gyros seasoning. 200 grams of cooked pasta in the shape of rice, but you can also add any other small pasta. 1 small red onion, 1 red bell pepper, and about 5 medium pickled cucumbers, all cut into cubes. Then add 1 can of canned corn, 3 tablespoons of cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic pressed through the press if you like. Season the whole thing with salt and pepper and mix. As you can see, the recipe is very simple. The salad is delicious, filling, beautifully presented, and tastes very good, so be sure to prepare it. Of course, watch my materials. You can find this and other recipes on the blog, and I always provide a link under the video. Thank you and enjoy your meal.